Wake up and get a whiff of the flowers. It's got me faded out my mind like I'm sniffing the powder, or I'm twisting a sour. You can never pop my raft. If you make me drop my craft, then I'll remember the hour. Cause this is sickness and showers. It's been raining diseases, and that snow on the ground has got me insane in my thesis. At least I think so. But this that type of shit you drink slow. Fan base screaming got me right until my ink's low. Hear the 808 smack like pencils in the classroom. Back when class blew like Mentos and Coke. I'm broke but I rap like Sarandu. The fans cool, you're killing every mic that we hand you. Might be the man to go hard as bamboozle in the competition, saving shit like Batman do. Landslide rapping, send them back where they came from. Who cares about the differences? We all circle the same sun. They got me reading books of war, like what the hell you looking for? Cause even if the world's gonna change, the only thing that stays the same is the fluorescence at the core. Like what the hell you looking for? This got me reading books of war. And even if the world's gonna change, I know I'll always feel this pain like a fucking crooked sword. Welcome to the Crack Pipe Chronicles. That's right, Vominos. Get a move on and get smacked like Bionado. Nah bro, gotta go, that flow is unstoppable. Team for the dope kids, cutting your life like Papa Roach. Lots of dough, never ducking around where coppers go. Flipping like Eric Costin and spitting bars on that Compton flow. Except that Western Indiana's where my place is, bitch. And I'ma bring my state across the nation, call it Pacers Knicks. In New York, I'm a blatant hit. Not to mention out in Cali where them Lakers sit. Cause we been blowing up in Maryland, call it the Boston Marathon. But you're stuck in security with metal in your carry-on. I'm like Jerry Toms running from the cunning kids, skating every day and popping trays, front running shit. Son of a bitch, I just saw my face on a flat screen. But that's what happens when you're running shit like a track team. They got me reading books of war, like what the hell you looking for? Cause even if the world's gonna change, the only thing that stays the same is the fluorescence at the core. Like what the hell you looking for? This got me reading books of war. And even if the world's gonna change, I know I'll always feel this pain like a fucking crooked sword. They got me reading books of war, like what the hell you looking for? Cause even if the world's gonna change, the only thing that stays the same is the fluorescence at the core. Like what the hell you looking for? This got me reading books of war. And even if the world's gonna change, I know I'll always feel this pain like a fucking crooked sword.
何者にもなれないだけの屍た笑いを
目の前の全てから逃げることさえやめたイメージを繰り返し想像の先を行けば闇を払って闇を払って